Why is Rule 34 34?
Don't know.
What are the other rules?
Let us Google.
Let me send this in a nutshell. Babe, what episode are you on? Ah. Because when 34, you get desperate and try weird shit. But what are the other rules? I want a list of the 33 other rules.
Okay, rule number 1. Do not talk about rules 2 to number 33. Rule 34. There is porn of it, no exceptions. Rule 35. The exception to rule number 34 is a citation of rule number 34.
Where the fuck did you get this?
This is rules of the internet.
Oh my fucking god, dude.
Rule
That's
36. An anonymous does not forgive. Alright, I don't want to read rule number 37. That's just stupid. Rule number 38. A cat is fine too. What the fuck? I'm not finished the rest of this list.
what is this, Brack? Let me see. Oh my god, redneck trees like to offer up little quips, phrases, and make sexual Oh my god. Drac, what the fuck did that come from? So I guess I gotta find a tree hentai now. I guess that's something that I gotta look into. I mean, if I don't do what kind of Twitch streamer would I not be if I don't research this later on and find out about tree hentai? It's for science.
Well, I know you just added a new tab to your anime fucking tabs.
Tab. Damn right I did. Two now because the other one that's in there was a site I never heard of either. Oh, God, it's cute. It's cute hearing my kid use gamer lingo. It's like I just AFK'd. Just walk into Barnes and Noble and say, "Excuse me,
Excuse
do you
me,
have any
Genichi.
Dude, you know what? I would do that if I could live stream shit. I would do stupid shit. Yeah, I don't understand. There is a certain limit. As long as I don't go to jail, I would do stupid shit in public for money. But I don't have a
No,
lot. I don't have IRL
like you
set
just
up.
you just stand in front of like Barnes and Noble's anime section, and like when the lady comes up to like ask you to like do you need any help to find anything? Be like, yeah, I'm looking for something specific. Do you have any something with branches? Do you have any tree pornography?
As a streamer, you have to be all inclusive. I mean, yeah. Do they sell hentai at Barnes and Noble? No, right?
No, I don't think so. I know they have like fully adulterated like anime manga and stuff, but I don't know about hentai.
Barnes and Noble. This is why you're losing business. Just fucking saying.
Well, no, because if that's the case, then they're gonna have to put a lock on the fucking bathroom doors, man. Just saying.
You're telling me somebody's not getting no fucking medical book and taking that to the bathroom and beating their meat?
I definitely know there's people that fucking took a National Geographic in there a few times, man.
Okay then. So what the fuck? What's the fucking difference?